Hello friends, welcome to Sunshine. Today I will show you how to draw some objects with plus sign. At first, you have to draw a plus sign in your copy. Now draw all lines step by step. Draw some straight line and triangle to complete it. Then start coloring. Paint the top of the kite orange, bottom with green, then fill the middle and the lower triangle with blue. Now it's complete. Number 2. Boat. Again you have to draw a plus sign in your copy. Now draw all lines step by step. You have to draw some straight line, slipping line and a triangle to complete it. Give it some waves with the help of the curved line. Draw few lines and explain the part of the rope to the fold of the boat sail cloth. Start coloring. Paint the boat sails red. Give the boat's body a dark brown and light brown shade. Mix all the colors with birds at the end. Use dark blue and sky blue to color the waves, then mix with birds. Now it's complete. Number 3. Umbrella. Again you have to draw a plus sign in your copy. Now draw all lines step by step. Complete it by drawing slipping line, semicircle and standing lines. Start coloring. Add red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo colors to like this. Then mix with birds. Paint the other parts of the umbrella with dark brown. It's complete. Number 4. Urn. You can say it also pitcher. Again you have to draw a plus sign in your copy. Now draw all lines step by step. You need to use most of the curved lines to draw this picture. Remove the plus sign in this stage. Some designs can be drawn in this way. You can apply also your choice without it. Start coloring. Apply brown and yellow shades on the body of the picture. Then mix with birds. Fill all the design with orange, lemon yellow and brown. Now it's complete. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon and press all to get instant update. Thank you.